As a scientist, it's a pleasure for me to convey a message about the recent fundamental research on water that may be of interest for the participants in the World Water Festival. We all know that water is completely unique for life, and it comes into almost all aspects of our life. What most people don't know is that water is also extremely strange in its ordinary physical properties, like density, heat capacity, viscosity, and many more. We know there is a density maximum at 4 degrees, and that the liquid is denser than its solid form. Ice floats. Just these two strange properties allow marine life to evolve during the ice times. Without this unusual behavior, we would not exist. It has therefore allured the scientific community for centuries to find the origin of this strange liquid behavior. We have used kilometer-long X-ray lasers to test a bold theoretical hypothesis that water can exist as two vastly different microscopic liquids that would have a density difference of 20%. If we could have this in a glass of water, they would separate just like oil and water, but instead being composed of only H2 molecules. Now we cannot do that, since at these conditions ice will form extremely fast. Using X-ray lasers, we could probe the two liquids before it had the time to freeze, and then we could see the two phases. It was a wow experiment, unbelievable to see directly the two liquid phases. Why should we care about these two liquids in ordinary water at our ambient conditions? That is because at room temperature, water cannot decide in which form it wants to be. It will fluctuate between these two different forms, forming clumps of around 50 molecules that exist in one form and then dissolves quickly into the other. It is these fluctuations that gives water its unusual properties. The question for the future, if this strange behavior is also the reason for water's role in the process of life. Not a static structure, but it's a dynamic dance that could guide the life process. Maybe DNA is only the blueprint for the cell, but water together with biomolecules becomes the software of the life process. There will be an exciting future in the coming decades when more advanced experimental methods will be developed and we can tackle these important questions.